Hello dear traders and welcome to another update. For today, I decided to cover British pound versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, about the crude oil, and about the Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the British pound versus US dollar first. So what I found here is that we are trading near the key pivot at 1.3557. This is actually a key pivot because we got lots of the consolidation around this stage, and we can eventually put more pressure to the upside if we clearly get away from this pivot at 58 and have a strong breakout. Now don't forget that we do have ADP non-farm employment change just in a bit, and later during the US session we will have a FMC meeting minutes. So expect a higher volatility around the news events and potential big riskier and bigger volatility environment. Anyway, back to the British pound versus US dollar. If we can have a strong breakout of 1.3557 and eventually have some redistribution process above that pivot, we can eventually head towards the 1.3600 and even 1.3650 or 60 level. So that can be a scenario for the upside. The downside scenario is not that productive because if we take the low at 1.3515, there is also pivot and mean around 1.3500 and then lows around 1.3450. So this is much more possible scenario since we're trading much closer to the pivot highs. So watch for buying opportunities in case the upside breakout and some continuational pattern. Checking gold market and checking gold market here, and we can see that the gold is trading very. There is an indecision here. There is a sell-off. Market did back into the single prints, and now we're trading very flat. Market did have a breakout of this mini contraction, but not that significant. There was no follow through after that breakout. So I guess the key pivot lows are again around 1790 and 1785. Anything meaningful, I would like to see the strong break through these pivots here. Anything meaningful to the upside, again, I would like to see price again above 1830 and have the strong breakout. So watch for the breakout mode either on upside or on downside. Going through the crude oil market, we're very close to this pivot high at 77.60, and the scenario can be if we can have a good strong upside breakout with some follow through to open the door for 79 level on the test. So watch for buying opportunities in case of the breakout of 77.60 and good continuation pattern after that. And checking the Bitcoin versus US dollar, it's still the same situation like that I alerted like yesterday. We have a 47,535 to be the key mini pivot here inside of this bigger consolidation, which can open the door for 48,000 or so, or even 50,000. But we also have a big cluster of the lows around 45,500. And in case of some stronger downside breakout, and with a continuational pattern after that, we can see maybe the test of 42,500 or even 40,000. That will be all for today's update. I hope that you did enjoy, and trade safe, and see you all tomorrow morning.